This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
I don't wanna work it out now. I just wanna play around. Meow, meow, meow. I wanna be a kitty. I wanna be a kitty. I wanna be a kitty. Oh no, someone ruined my cake. I feel so angry, Someone ate my cake. Oopsie, oopsie, I know this feeling. I will take it away. Now you have.
Aha!
Hey monkey, here I come. Banana, banana, nana, nana, banana, nana, nana. Hey monkey, stomp the floor.
Whoa!
Hey monkey, monkey, give a banana to me. Hey monkey, monkey, hey yeah. Hey monkey, monkey, give a banana to me. Hey monkey, monkey, give a banana to me.
Wow! Whoa!
Wow!
Uh-huh.
Always being nice to your friends. You don't have to be mean. You can share and play. Sometimes words can hurt and make your friend unhappy.
Want to make a trendy hairstyle? I'll show you how. Put this here. Be careful with the scissors. Clip goes here. And a bunny goes here. Here's the hairstyle. So cool.
What is happening to me? Mermaid through me.
Triangle.
No, I don't believe my eyes.
Rhombus.
I don't want it. Help me, guys.
Square. Wash your hair. Shampoo your hair. Rinse your hair. Dry your hair. Comb your hair. When there's something really hard for me to do, I can be my favorite animal in the world. A tree
Oh no!
I feel so angry, feel so angry. Someone ate my cake. Oopsie, oopsie.
Wow!
This feeling I will take
Yikes.
it away. Now you have
Wow!
no emotion.
Fantastic!
I wanna tickle.
Wow!
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Yeah.
Ha,
Woo.
ha, ha, ha. I will make you
Let's
giggle.
go! Aha!
La 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 la. Let's have fun a little.
Aha!
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickly, tickly, tickle. Ha 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 ha. Tickly, tickly, tickle. La 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 la. Tickly, tickly, tickle.
Fantastic!
Tickle, tickle.
Good
Tickly,
job!
tickly,
Great!
Great to meet you. You're here just in time.
Just in time for what?
The finals of the show jumping championships, of course. You are a show jumper, aren't you?
I mean, yes, I am. I'm Sid, show jumper extraordinaire at your service.
Well, I'm relying on you to win the competition.
Jumping jockeys. That sounds like quite a challenge.
You see, if one of my horses doesn't win the prize money today, I'll have to close down my stables, which means no more riding lessons for the village children anymore.
Oh, no. Don't worry. I'll do my very best to win that competition, bring back the prize money, and save the stables for you.
Marvellous, marvellous. Tally-o!
Come on, let's go and choose a horse. Hello, horsies.
Hello.
Whoa, a talking horse. Which one of you said that?
Only me. Percy Wash and Brush, the groom. I look after the horses, feeding them and brushing them and mucking out the stable. But of course you knew that, being a champion show jumper and all.
Yes, of course. I'm Sid, and I'm here to ride for Mrs. Trotter in today's show jumping championship final.
Oh, well, I'll go and get your saddle and bridle for you then.
Hold on, Percy. How do I know which horse to choose? And he's gone. Oh, well, I guess I'll have to choose a horse by myself. Well, how do I know which one to choose? Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? Yes, a horse and rider need a special bond to help them understand and communicate with each other when they ride together. So I need to find a horse that I communicate best with. So, I might need Percy to help me with that. Percy? Do you think you could introduce me to the horses so I know which is the best one to choose?
Sure. Well, this one here is called Shining Star.
Shining Star, that's a cool name.
But I like to call her Nibbler because she loves to nibble everything she sees, including your hat, Sid.
Whoa, you naughty nibbler.
And this one here is called Sunshine, but I like to call her Kick and Run.
Whoa,
Wait for me!
so that's why they call her Kick and Run. Oh, and that horse has kicked the door so hard, it's dropped one of its shoes. Some people say the horseshoes are very lucky. I'll keep this. It might come in handy. Oh, hello. Who are you? What a lovely horse.
I managed to catch Kick and Run. I put her in the paddock. Oh, I'll see you've met Champion.
Is that your name? That's a good name. And we get on very well together. Yes, Champion is the horse for me. And with a name like Champion, we're bound to win the show jumping championships.
Well, I wouldn't be too sure about that, Sid. Everyone calls him Cardigan.
Cardigan? Oh, is that because you're so big and soft and fluffy like a cardigan?
No, it's because he's not a very good jumper.
Right. Oh, well, we do have a special bond, so I guess we'll do the best that we can, won't we? Yes. The only thing is, I haven't actually ridden a horse before, so I think it might be a good idea if I give it a go before the competition.
I'll just go and get your saddle. Hold on a minute. For a moment there, I thought I heard you say you'd never ridden a horse before. Oh, imagine trying to win a show jumping competition when you've never ridden a horse before.
Imagine. Come on, let's go and ride a horse.
Let's play.
So, how does the steering work?
Oh, there you go again, pretending you've never ridden a horse before.
Yes. Oh, dear.
Well, you know what to do, don't you? You give a very gentle pull on the left of the reins to go left, and pull on the right to go right.
OK, here we go then, Champion. Oh, one more thing before we go. Is it OK if I keep this horseshoe for good luck?
Oh, yeah, of course. And here you go. You can have these ones too. You need as much luck as you can get.
Oh, thanks, I think. Right, let's go win a competition.
Let's play.
Wow. So this is where it all happens, the show jumping arena. And look at all those jumps.
I'll take Champion for a walk to stretch his legs before the competition starts, while you do your preparations.
That's just what I was going to suggest. oh,
Which way are you going?
I'm sorry. Oh, are you riding in the show jumping championships today too?
Am I riding in the competition today? I'm sorry, but I think it'll be me winning the prize money and the trophy today. Mum will be pleased.
Oh, your mum's watching the competition.
Yes, my mum is the judge. Keep the trophy nice and shiny for me, Mum.
Attention all show jumpers. You only have a few more minutes before the competition starts.
Well, I'm ready. I've done all my preparations. I hope you have, Sid.
How do I become prepared? I really don't know. Oh, hold on. I remember. Do you? Yes, that's it. Show jumpers always walk the course before they start jumping, so they know the order of the jumps. I need to walk the course before the competition starts. Okay, so let's see. I have to count the steps between the jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 steps, and then Champion and I go whee over that jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then Champion and I go whee over that jump. And then jump, splash! And then that one, and that one, and that one. Wow, look at the size of that last jump. Woo. I hope Champion and I are up to this.
The preparation time is over, and riders must now wait with their horses for the starting bell to ring.
Right, I better find Percy and Champion.
Let's play.
Don't worry, Champion. I'm sure they're going to ring that starting bell any moment now. What's taking so long?
Ladies and gentlemen, riders and horses, I'm very sorry, but due to technical difficulties, the competition has had to be cancelled.
What? No! This is a disaster! Don't worry, Champion. I'm not giving up yet. I'm going to have a word with that judge right now. Hello, Mrs. Fetlock. I'm Sid.
I'm afraid I haven't got time to talk to you now. We have a crisis. The competition is going to have to be cancelled.
Oh, no. Well, is there anything I can do to help?
No. It's my starting bell. It's broken, and I can't ring the start of each round without my starting bell.
Oh, what did you say? Surely there's something we can do to help. Oh, hold on. I know what we can use, do you? We can use this. I knew it would come in handy. Mrs. Fetlock, would you like to use this?
Oh, young man. Sid, was it?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Everyone, we have been saved by the bell. The competition is back on. Riders, take your places and prepare your horses. For today, thanks to Sid, we jump.
Let's play.
Milton and Lovejoy, coming to you live from the show jumping arena. And here comes our first competitor, Mary Ann Fetlock. And there goes the bell. She's off. Oh, and the approach looks good. Oh, a perfect first jump.
Wow, Mary Ann's really good.
Oh, she's very good.
And over she goes again.
And she is, of course, the favourite to win today. Been a good round so far, but she's coming up to the last jump. The one we like to refer to in show jumping circles as a right stinker of a high jump. Will she make it?
Oh, I can't look.
Oh, and she's knocked down the pole at the last jump. Oh, she could have been faster. Oh, she won't be happy with that.
I'd be happy to get even close to that.
Let's play.
It's our turn soon, old boy.
And our second to last competitor
Finishes the course, but Marianne is still in the lead. And our final competitor is Sid. He's riding cardigan. Oh, I mean, champion.
That's our bell, Champion. Time for us to do this thing.
Here he goes towards the first jump.
We can do it. And up.
A great first jump from Sid and champion. Can he beat Marianne Fetlock, I wonder?
No, he can't.
What?
Well done, Champion.
If Sid can make it round the course with no mistakes, he could win the competition.
Go on, Sid. You can do it.
Another good jump for Sid. He's coming up to the final difficult jump. He needs to get over this without knocking any of the poles over if he wants to win.
Whoa!
Ooh, and champion pulls up at the last jump.
Some champion jumper he is.
Come on, Champion. We can do it. I know we can. But how? Oh, hold on. I remember, do you? If a horse refuses to jump, the rider can settle it and reassure it by stroking its neck and asking it to try again. Let's try that. Coochie coochie coo. There you are. Good boy, Champion. Now, come on. Let's try that again, shall we? Good boy.
Oh my goodness, he's going for the big final jump. Will he get over it? Will he beat Marianne Fetlock? He will! And it's super fast time.
Whoa!
Yeah! Marianne Fetlock is toppled from victory by Sid and champion.
Well done, Champion. I knew we could do it.
A brilliant round, Sid. Congratulations.
Thanks, but I could have done it without Champion.
No, you couldn't. You have to do it on a horse, silly. So, what are you going to do with the prize money?
Well, I have someone very special in mind. I need to give this money to Mrs. Trotter.
Oh, lovely. Doodle pip.
Thanks, Mrs. Fetlock. Well done, Champion. What a good horse you are.
Sid,
Sorry you didn't win, Marianne.
that's okay. You did brilliantly. Well done. And well done to you too, champion. But watch out, because next time, I'll win for sure.
Oh, Sydney, what a star. And champion really was a champion.
Thanks, Mrs. Trotter. Here's the trophy. And you can have the prize money to save the stables, and the children can have their horse riding lessons.
I don't know how to thank you. You really were a wonderful show jumper, Sid.
Thanks. Well, we did it, but we'd never have done it without remembering everything we needed to know. A horse and rider need a special bond, which helps them communicate with each other as they ride. Show jumpers always walk around the course before they start jumping. And if a horse refuses to jump, the rider can reassure it by stroking its neck. Good boy. I know you can do this. Come on. Oh, so I think it's time we went home. Good luck with the stables, and say goodbye to Champion for me.
I will. Goodbye, Sydney. Bye.
Let's play.
Hey, Sid, how was your show jumping adventure?
Fantastic. I won a competition. I rode a horse called Champion, who turned out to be a